Hi everyone from sunny Germany, and today I'm presenting my Kazakh language teacher, Dүйсенбаева Dинara, who is a really wonderful person. Her lessons were always been interesting and full of content. She imparts not only the knowledge from the books, but also her passion and love for life. And one of the remarkable qualities of her is love to travel. She has been visiting me the last year here in München, and we were talking, fascinating about your travel and all about all kinds of this stuff. And due to her broad outlook and knowledges, her students are all over the world studying at top universities. That's a really her success, I would say. And also, I wanted to say that she's just not just a teacher. She's just a mentor, advisor, symbol of friendship. I would say her boundless care and dedication to us is just amazing. And therefore, to me, she's the best teacher in my life, I would say.